What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a new
turn left onto 20th Street Northeast.
Welcome back to a new video, and Siri's being an idiot right now, but anyways. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a new
turn left onto 20th Street Northeast.
Welcome back to a new video, and Siri's being an idiot right now, but anyways, we are
a little confused.
Yes,
we're not Siri.
What is it?
It's Google Maps.
Okay, Google Maps is being done today.
This is Apple Maps. I don't know.
We're heading out for this afternoon to do a little bit of running around. You guys can come along with us. It's a chill day today on a Sunday.
Yeah.
So we're gonna just chill out for the day, and you guys can come along with us and see what we end up doing, right?
Yeah.
So, but first we have to go pick something up in our old end of town.
Yes.
And then we're gonna head over to Walmart because we have to pick up things, right?
They said yes.
Okay. So we'll see you guys in a few minutes. Well, guys, as we're driving down this road here, in front of us, we have a plate from Indiana, right?
Well, I could say wrong.
Well, but it is from Indiana. It says
Yes.
we were
But
just
I
asking about
could
it.
say wrong. When you ask me right, I could
Yeah.
say wrong.
Yeah. So we're
So-
just, yes, I guess I'll kind of, if it's a Jeep or not, but yeah, this car in front of us.
It's a Jeep.
It's a Jeep, and it's from Indiana, which is kind of interesting to see. Plates from the States.
Well, we get plates from everywhere.
Yeah, we have plates from like
Mexico. There's
like,
actually a lot of plates from Mexico up in Red Cliff.
yeah.
So
We get plates from New York. I've seen ones from like what,
I've seen Florida.
Florida.
I've seen Washington.
California.
Montana.
Yeah.
We get them from like everywhere,
Yep, yep.
honestly.
So we're just, like I show you the plate because it's one can't see it anyways.
I just wouldn't want to post that
Yeah.
one.
But we're just gonna head over to Walmart and see what else we can get ourselves into. We have to pick them.
I need to pick up a couple of things.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are gonna see you guys in a little bit. Well, guys, we made it to the Walmart. We're gonna go inside and get some stuff done. We'll try to film a little bit in there if we can, but let's see, right? It looks like it's a little busy here today, but we're gonna try to film a little bit in there for you guys. But we'll see you guys inside. Yeah. Well, guys, we're done at Superstore. What am I talking about? Walmart. We didn't film anything in there because it was stupid busy. And,
Well, it wasn't busy, but it was busy.
Yeah.
Like, some aisles you'd have absolutely nobody down it, and the other aisle you couldn't even move down.
Yeah.
So,
we had somebody stop us and ask us about our YouTube channel.
Yep.
Ask if we're still doing it. We're still doing it. And yeah, so that's what we don't know what we're going to be doing now.
Well, we bought ice cream, so probably going to be heading home.
Well, it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And it's about 35 degrees here in Medicine Hat. Not sure what it is. Feels like, actually.
I don't know. My phone says it's 32 degrees.
I'll find it right now. I'll play you guys in a second here. Whoa. It's a very thunderstorm for Sunday. It's 32 degrees, but it feels like 35 according to this thing. But I don't know. We'll see. But we're
It's
gonna.
clouding up a bit.
Yeah. So who knows if we're gonna get storms this evening or not?
Probably not.
Wednesday we might.
Well, that'll be a nice birthday thing.
It's
Some
supposed
storms
to be,
for my birthday.
It's gonna be very muggy by the sounds of it, so we'll see what happens there. It's supposed to be like a really hot day, but we'll see. So we're gonna head home and I guess chill up the afternoon and all that kind of stuff.
And I'm gonna try to manage my pain.
Yes, we're having some pain problems today, so
Big time today.
yep. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. guys, we're back home. As you can see, let's get out of the car. Gotta get all our stuff out of the vehicle here. Let's see it down for a second here. There you go. Bag. There you go, but leave the water in here, right?
I can carry 2 bags.
There we go. Here, how about that? Do you want to carry the box?
I'd rather carry the bag.
Carry the bag? Okay, there you go. And then there.
Bring the water in.
I will leave it here. Oops. Okay. There we go. There we go. So there's Rheanna behind me, coming slowly. But we're gonna go in the house and figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. Gotta do some laundry and stuff like that. She's coming, as you can see. Oh, we're in there. There we go.
Gotta close the door.
Oh, you hear dogs barking, of course. Our dogs are just going up the storm. There we go.
Hey, baby. Hey, Milo.
And the doggies are right there. All happy to see us. So we're gonna put all this stuff away and we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Well guys, I'm in the process of doing some laundry. As you can see, I got the laundry basket down here. Gonna do some laundry, get the laundry on for work. So I'm gonna just get on here for a second here. So I'll put the laundry in the machine. Ugh. Oops. So what I use for laundry down here, right now we're using these tabs. So we're gonna pull those in there. Get down there for a sec. And then some Unstoppables. That. Push that. Down here. Put that upstairs. So we're gonna go upstairs and figure out what we're gonna do this evening, noon. So we'll talk to you guys in a bit.
1 hour later.
Well, guys, it's about 5:30 in the evening. We're gonna be making supper. Rheanna's making. Or is it going to? Oh, what?
You're making.
Oh, I'm making?
Can't really do much.
Okay, apparently I'm making this. It's the cheesy chicken. I don't know what the heck this is.
It's a
skillet thing,
homemade
apparently.
meal, or ready meal.
So apparently I'm going to be making this with the help of Rheanna. And we're making also going to have some Caesar salad for supper. So yeah, I guess we're going to be cooking this right away here. So yeah, well, stay tuned and see how I make it with this meal. This new to me, so we'll see. Skizzers.
Open this.
Okay, go and use skizzers.
Don't cut yourself. Yeah, but when you had it, you
Put
almost
it in
did.
here.
Well, you have to make it so that I can still read that. So don't just get all jumpy and do everything.
So I'm going to be putting this in the thing. So what is this?
Open sauce pouches and empty into large non-stick skillet.
Okay, so I'm going to put this in a skillet apparently. So I'm going to put it in one of these. This is I guess the sauce we're going to be using.
Yeah, you need to open them and put them in there.
Both of them? Right now?
Open sauce pouches and empty into large non-stick skillet.
Do we have to like remove sauce, blah blah blah? Okay. Do I have to like?
Well, whatever it says.
Okay. Hopefully. Oh crap! Come on. Okay, let's go my hand. Don't be going to the hospital.
Nope. Spent enough time there thanks to me.
You're probably wondering why am I cooking. It's because Rheanna hurt her hand. Oh crap. Come on. Oh, come on, you stupid thing. There we go. What are we putting in next? What are we putting in next?
I'm reading.
Yeah, that-
I am.
Apparently she's really learning how about.
Add frozen meals and 2/3 of a cup water.
Okay,
So add this to there.
okay. So we're adding all this bag in here. Like that. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. Ah, doggy. Oh, never mind.
This is what happens when he starts getting all like, ooh, I'm doing this. I'm doing this. This is what happens.
Hey now. That's it?
Yep.
And I put a lid on it and then do it.
Well, I don't know because you took the bags from me.
Sorry.
Cover and cook over medium-high heat
Okay.
for 12 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
Stirring occasionally.
Okay.
Medium-high. So not high, but medium-high.
So we got it in the pot. Got it on medium heat. That's medium.
Medium-high.
Medium high. High, medium, whatever it's called. And we have to put it on for how long again?
12 to 15 minutes. Stirring occasionally.
Do we need to put on?
I will, yes.
We're going to ask somebody, to the AI bot, to help us out.
Ziggy, start timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
Thank you.
Anytime. Literally. Hope you've enjoyed your weekend.
It's a different AI bot.
She changed her voice.
Yes. Oh, I'll fix that later. But we're going to wait for a few little now. Well, I can't even talk today.
What else is new?
So we're going to stir occasionally this, and then
We're gonna stir case this?
I don't know what the heck I'm talking about.
I never know what you're talking about.
Okay. So we'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Dump it in for me.
Well, guys, we got the salad out. The Caesar
I
salad.
separated everything and that's all about I can do.
Okay. This is the Caesar salad we got from Superstore. No, that's isn't Superstore. This is Costco.
So it's Costco.
Costco salad. Oh, fancy. So I gotta put this in the bowl apparently.
I can't.
Yeah.
I only have one workable hand.
So I have to do it.
You'll probably end up making a mess.
No. So we're gonna put it in a bowl like this. Maybe. Works.
He'll probably make a mess. Because that's what he does.
No, I'm not gonna make a mess, people.
Shows off.
I'm not showing off and getting it in the bowls. Gotta get it in the bowl. There's lemons in here.
Yeah, we put lemon in. We don't have to use
I have a lemon. And it fell off the floor.
Oh, something was flying out of the pot.
Oh, pot.
Yeah, out of the pot. I don't know what it was, but it went on the floor.
Cool. Is there 2 lemons or is this 1? I don't know. Oh, let's see.
I was trying to stir the pasta and something went flying out of the pot. Nowhere.
So they fell down.
Oh, we might have needed a bigger bowl.
Yeah. Can you get the bigger bowl? I'll get the bigger bowl.
I mean, I could, but if you see anything over there that landed on the ground,
We have to change the bowl out.
I might pick a smaller one.
Oops. There we go. Gotta fit it in a bigger bowl. Put that in there. Put that there. That's that. Okay. Now I put what?
I always put the croutons in first.
Croutons. Those weird croutons too.
That's what they use. Don't put the plastic in the salad.
I want to cut my hand. Eh?
No, we don't need another trip for the hospital.
What you said earlier. We don't want to. What was it you said earlier?
No, okay.
Something about me not getting hurt.
Oh yeah, I said we can't afford for Mike to get hurt because then we're doomed. Well, that wasn't exactly the words I used, I don't think, but
Yeah, pretty much.
but that's basically what I meant. Because
Oh crap.
if he hurts himself and I'm hurt, you're wasting a bunch of salad
No, I'm
dressing.
not wasting salad dressing.
Yes, you are.
Salad dressing on my hand, people. What the heck?
It's because he's not doing it properly.
Yeah, you know.
Nope.
There we go. I'm not wasting any salad dressing, I don't think. There we go. Wash your hands. Washy.
Yes, always wash your hands.
Gotta wash the hands. Gotta washy. I'm not having a chicka boom boom moment. Or do I need to put the... Oh, shit. I mean, shoot.
Well, I did put the thinners out there.
So I just mix it away with the lid on and then...
Well, I didn't make a mess, but
Oh, well.
whichever way you choose to do it.
Okay, we're gonna do it this way. Shaky. That's good. That done. See? We got the salad ready to go.
Oh, it doesn't look dressed.
What do you mean it doesn't look dressed?
Oh, it doesn't look like there's no stuff on it.
Well, okay, then you mix it. Because I can't mix it, apparently. So we're going to stir this up eventually.
I just started.
Okay, you just stirred, okay. So we'll talk to you guys in a few minutes with more of our shenanigans. Well, guys, it looks like the meal is completely done. We're just letting it simmer for a bit. Right?
Yeah, just letting it.
And then we have the salad, which is all done, ready to go. So we're gonna eat this up and probably just call it a night, right?
Probably.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna attempt to eat.
Yep. So we want to thank you everybody for coming into the video.
It's not alive.
You know, it's not live. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, smash the like button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Thumbs up.
And thumbs up the button. That's Rheanna. Pun intended. Bye, guys.